I just want to tell all of you, for the staff and the doctors in this hospital have been really wonderful. And I'm so happy that I was lucky enough to inaugurate this.
Sir, are you fine?
Yeah.
Okay.
सर कैसे हैं कैसे?
Sir, okay. Sir, how are you? Are you fine? तबीयत
My
आपकी?
health is fine. I thank the people of Odisha. I thank the hospital.
सर
जय जगन्नाथ सर।
अभी कैसे लग रहा है सर?
जय जगन्नाथ।
सर अभी कैसे लग रहा है सर?
बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक।
Thank you sir. Thank you sir.
सर ओडिशा वासी को कौन कहिए सर?
Any message for Odisha people?
I thank the Odisha people and I thank the hospital.
Thank you sir. Thank you sir.
सुनील भाई
Thank you.